Sparrows are small, friendly birds that bring so much joy with their happy chirping. They love staying close to people, building nests on rooftops or in small corners, and eating crumbs or seeds that harm crops, making them nature's quiet helpers. But it's painful to see sparrows disappearing because of pollution, fewer trees, and no safe places for them. We can make a difference by putting out food and water for them, planting flowers and trees, and giving them cozy spots to nest. Sparrows trust us, and they make our world feel alive and warm. Let's protect these tiny friends who bring so much happiness to our lives. Also help farmers